Bullish star chart book cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 2 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept chart book could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish star chart book market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Star map book presentation. NFTs, the freshest obsession with the web, are supposed to affect the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by consolidating NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is making ready for the following flood of computer games is Star Chart Book. Star Map Book is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Chart Book players investigate the tremendous bereft of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewel. It makes a metaverse experience by melding blockchain components with NFTs situated in game things and specific designs advancements. What is Star Chart Book? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Chart Book. According to its white paper, clients may unite, arrange, and battle their direction into neglected landscape because of this astounding creation. In August 2021, Star Map Book will start its very first coin creation movement. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their remarkable resources. Each component in Star Map Book is an NFT that has been put to the blockchain. Specifically, the Star Chart Book game's universe is huge, and players should go out on friendless, rough experiences loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Chart Book interactivity in the game. Players can make enormous urban communities and private ventures or rally and make decentralized independent associations to run over specific regions. Players procure virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Map Book totally embraces decentralization, rather than most of unified gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. Star Map Book Specialized Investigation. Specialized Examination, or TA for short, is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers to check the Star Chart Book cost expectations and different elements. It is a strategy for looking at the market using pointers, exceptionally made devices. Financial backers and dealers can involve this way to deal with track down fair opportunities for exchanging or money management. Specialized investigation is normally founded on verifiable data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so forth, which uncovers designs that can be utilized to gauge what is probably going to occur. Specialized examination is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized markers. It is a method for breaking down the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and dealers utilize this strategy to track down opportunities for speculations or exchange, contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized investigation is some of the time established on verifiable information for a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to estimate what is probably going to occur. Star Chart Book Crucial Investigation. Financial backers utilize this technique to find out the genuine worth of a coin. The principal objective is to evaluate a large number of inner and outer components to decide whether a coin is exaggerated or underestimated. Financial backers use this information to wisely enter or leave ventures. Essential examination is one issue that should be tackled prior to exchanging cryptographic money. The financial backer can get a sense from a principal investigation of what cash control and speculative movement will mean for the cryptographic money, and how to continue. Specialized examination isn't quite as critical as this point, which calls for more consideration, examination, and experience than formal tutoring. Star Chart Book is right now worth $0. Chart Book has moved 0.64% as of now with an exchanging volume of $864,831. Star Chart Book is right now positioned 542 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $28,830,513 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Star Chart Book to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Star Map Book market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Star Chart Book Value Forecast 2023. Star Chart Book, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The map book cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Chartbook is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Star Map Book Value Expectation 2024 of every 2024. Star Map Book Chartbook Cost Forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mapbook will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Chartbook's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Mapbook will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Star Chartbook Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and Chartbook might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Chartbook is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2025. Star Map Book Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Star Map Book effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the Chartbook coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mapbook will be green in 2026. The Mapbook is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 1 cent, with a base cost of 1 cent and a typical cost of 1 cent. Star Chartbook Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Mapbook cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 1 cent by 2027. With a base cost of 1 cent anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Chartbook has a greatest value worth of 1 cent. Star Chartbook Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 1 cent. On the off chance that Mapbook figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 1 cent. Neglecting to assemble the help Mapbook needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 1 cent. Star Mapbook Value Forecast 2029. While Mapbook is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 2 cents and a yearly cost close above 2 cents in 2029. Star Mapbook Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Star Mapbook will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 2 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 2 cents, averaging out at 2 cents. Star Chartbook Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031,